While not on May 25, it's noteworthy that on May 24th, 1570, the Battle of Manila took place. Spanish forces led by Martin de Goiti clashed with local forces under Raja Sulaiman. The Spanish victory paved the way for Manila as the capital of the Spanish East Indies. On May 25, 1895, Governor General Ramon Blanco exiled 9 citizens from Malolos, Bulacan. This was due to perceived threats against the church during the Spanish colonial period. On May 25, 1945, a diarist recorded hearing 3 gunshots during the Japanese occupation. This entry highlights the daily uncertainties faced by individuals at the time. On May 25, 2000, Philippine Airlines Flight 812 was hijacked by Augusto Lacandula. He robbed passengers and attempted to escape by parachuting from the aircraft. His body was later found in a forest in Real, Quezon.